Supporting mental health in the workplace is crucial, and HR software features can play a big role in creating a healthier environment. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use HR software to support mental health, so stay tuned until the end for some key insights and an exclusive offer. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about employee check-ins. Many HR platforms offer features that allow for regular scheduled check-ins with your team. These tools let you track how employees are feeling and gather feedback on their workloads, stress levels, and overall well-being. Regular check-ins like these can help managers identify issues early, allowing for a proactive approach to support mental health. Next, let's move on to workload management. Overloading employees can lead to burnout, which is one of the biggest mental health challenges in the workplace. With HR software, you can use task management features to monitor workloads and redistribute tasks when necessary. These tools help balance work across teams, ensuring that no one is overwhelmed and can maintain a healthy work-life balance. Now, let's look at the importance of flexible working hours. HR software often includes features like time tracking and scheduling, making it easier for employees to manage their time and choose work hours that best suit their mental health needs. Offering this flexibility can significantly reduce stress and increase job satisfaction. Another vital feature is anonymity in feedback. Providing employees with a safe and anonymous way to voice concerns about mental health is essential. Many HR platforms allow employees to submit confidential feedback through surveys or suggestions, enabling them to speak up without fear of judgment or retribution. This is crucial in building a culture of trust and support. HR software can also help with wellness programs. Many platforms include integration with wellness initiatives like meditation apps, mental health resources, and counseling services. These resources, accessed easily through the software, can encourage employees to take care of their mental health and seek help when needed. One more powerful feature is employee recognition. Acknowledging your team's hard work, whether through rewards or simple appreciation, can have a significant positive impact on mental health. Many HR software solutions allow you to set up automated recognition systems, helping employees feel valued and boosting their morale. To sum it all up, HR software features like regular check-ins, workload management, flexible schedules, anonymous feedback, wellness programs, and employee recognition are great tools to support mental health at work. Each of these features contributes to a more balanced and supportive work environment. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial for our recommended software in the description below. This will allow you to follow along and see how these features work in real time. Key takeaway. To support mental health effectively, your HR software needs to focus on creating a balanced, supportive work environment where employees can openly share their concerns, manage workloads, and have access to mental health resources. If you want to take action on these features today, check out the free trial in the description.